I don't know if you can see this because I can't see. It's too sunny. I don't understand what this stuff is. Or where it's connected. I would hate to have to run it through. That seems to be where it's going in the bedroom. It's painted red, and then red goes down here to this. Okay. So that must be it. And then I have to run it to the side of the building up there. And look, you can see some of my trees that I cut and have not removed. Cut, have not removed. Here's just some rubble that I cut and I have around here. There's Walter. And this is cut. But I haven't done the second cut on it. It's just cut there.